Y'all, I'm trying to see if I can show y'all. My bird eggs done hatched. You might can see them. Wait a minute. Y'all see them? That's the... You can't hardly see them. I'm gonna try to get them. Normally the mama be up in this tree somewhere, but she probably don't. Oh look, there they go, there they go. There they go. You see how they had their mouth open? Look, look. They want something to eat. See? They think I'm the mama. All of them got the, look like it's about 3 of them. Look. Look, y'all, look. Ooh. Let me see if I can try to catch it one more time. Okay. I don't want to mess with it too much.